Fish is a great source of proteins and omega-3 fatty acids. The fish we eat comes from fishing the oceans and farming. But only 50% of the fish biomass caught or farmed in Europe ends up on your dinner plate. What happens with the rest? Well, fish heads, skin and bones are considered non-edible side streams and are often discarded, even though they're rich in protein, omega-3s, minerals and other valuable nutrients. That's why AQUABIOPRO-FIT is dedicated to creating natural products with high nutritional value from these side streams, like nutritional supplements. Our mission is to develop innovative and non-conventional processing technologies for fish side streams to recover valuable ingredients in a sustainable way. Their safety, bioactivity and bioavailability will be thoroughly tested before producing nutritional supplements that improve fitness, metabolism and mental health. We'll study how the products affect skin health, hair growth, as well as the body's microbiome and pH balance, which is important for overall health and well-being. AQUABIOPRO-FIT will also look into optimizing farming and processing of tunicates. These sea squirts have an amazing ability to act as a biofilter and improve water quality, and they can be used as a novel source of fibre and proteins in animal feed. The knowledge acquired throughout the project will be shared on our e-learning platform, where people working in seafood industries will find information about new market opportunities for fish side streams and tunicates. Here we'll provide training on new processing methods and tools on how to develop products from lab to industrial scale. AQUABIOPRO-FIT will help fisheries and aquaculture become more sustainable through efficient resource use and waste reduction. AQUABIOPRO-FIT, creating natural marine bio-based products with high nutritional value.